Yes. Now, so let us solve the problems. The first problem, the vector a bar, the vector a bar is equal to, okay, a bar is equal to 2x cube z I cap minus xy square z k cap plus 3y square x k cap. Find divergence. Find the divergence of a bar. Divergence of a bar. Okay. So this is the problem. Right, sir? First, let us write the formula. Divergence of a bar equal to del bar dot a bar, that equal to dou by dou x of dou ax by dou x, that is dou by dou x of, what is x component of the vector? 2x cube, 2x cube z, 2x cube z, right? Plus dou by dou y of, what is the y component of the vector? Minus xy square z, minus xy square z, plus k cap into, sorry, plus dou by dou z of z component 3y square x equal to, here we are doing the partial differentiation. So dou by dou x of that, what we get? 6x square z. Here, with respect to y, x and z are constant, minus 2xyz, okay, plus here with respect to z, we are doing the partial differentiation. Here x and y are constant, hence it is 0, equal to 6x square z minus 2xyz, minus 2xyz. So this is the answer. How we are doing? The given vector is a bar equal to x cube z I cap minus xy square z j cap plus 3y square x k cap, right? Del bar dot a bar equal to dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou y of ay plus dou by dou z of az. So that is applied. Okay. The answer is 6x square z minus 2xy. Right. Now, the next problem. Second problem. If r bar is the position vector, if r bar is the position vector, find divergence of r bar. Divergence of r bar. Okay. Yes. Since r bar is the position vector, it is given by r bar equal xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay. Now the divergence of r bar equal to del bar dot r bar. Okay. So this is equal to dou by dou x of x component x plus dou by dou y of y component of the vector y plus dou by dou z of z component of the given vector, that is z. Okay. Dou x by dou x 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So answer, divergence of r bar equal to 3. It is important problem. If r bar is the position vector, then the divergence of r bar equal to 3. Right, sir. Now, let us do another problem. Okay. The third problem. If a vector v bar is equal to x square z I cap minus 2y square z square minus 2y square z square j cap plus xy square z cap k cap. Find del bar dot v bar. Find del dot v bar at the point 1 minus 1 1. This is the problem. So the vector v bar equal to x square z I cap minus 2y square z square j cap plus xy square z k cap. We have to find divergence of the v bar at the point 1 minus 1 1. Okay. Del bar dot v bar is equal to dou by dou x of x component of the vector x square z plus dou by dou y of y component of the vector minus 2y square minus 2y square z square. Okay. Plus dou by dou z of z component of the given vector xy square z. That gives, here the first term we are doing the partial differentiation with respect x, so we get 2xz. Here y constant, z constant, x and z constant, y square differentiation 2y, so what we get minus 4yz square. Here x and y are constant, so xy square. But we have to find the del bar dot v bar at the point 1 minus 1 1 equal to, substitute x is equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1 here. Then 2 into 1 into 1 minus 4 into minus 1 gets plus 4 xy square 1 into 1 square equal to 2 plus 4 plus 1. Answer 7. Answer is 7. Okay. So in this way, we can find the divergence of the given vector at the given points. Okay. Next, another problem. Next problem, fourth problem. A vector a bar is equal to 3y power 4 z square, 3y power 4 z square I cap. Okay. Plus 4x cube z square, 4x cube z square j cap, x cube z square k j cap minus 3x square y square k cap. Okay. 3x square y square k cap. Prove that a bar is a solenoidal vector. Prove that a bar is a solenoidal vector. Okay. So in the significance of the divergence of the vector field, I told you that if the divergence of a vector field equal to 0, that vector is called solenoidal vector. So here, to prove the given vector as solenoidal vector, so we have to prove del bar dot a bar equals to 0, right? So let us find the divergence of the given vector del bar dot a bar equal to dou by dou x of x component 3y power 4 z square, okay, plus dou by dou y of y component 4x cube z square, okay, plus dou by dou z of z component of the given vector minus 3x square y square. Okay, here we are doing the partial differentiation. In the first term, y, z are constants. So therefore, with respect to x, partial differentiation of that term 3y power 4z square is 0. In the second term, we are doing the partial differentiation with respect to y. Then x and z are constant. Therefore, it is also 0. In the third term, we are doing the partial differentiation with respect to z. Here, x and y are treated as constant. Therefore, it is also 0. So del bar dot a bar equal to 0 we got. Therefore, the given vector a bar is called as solenoidal vector. Called as solenoidal vector. Solenoidal vector. Okay. So this is the way to prove the given vector as the solenoidal vector. Right, sir. Now, let us go for next problem. Okay. So the next problem, fifth problem is a vector a bar is equal to x square z I cap minus 2y cube z square j cap plus x y square z k cap. Okay. Find del bar dot a bar. Find del dot a bar at the point 1 minus 1 1 7. Okay. First you do the del bar dot a bar, then you substitute x y z equal 1 minus 1 1. You will get the answer. Okay. Yes. Del dot a bar equal to dou by dou x of x component x square z plus dou by dou y of y component minus 2y cube z square plus dou by dou z of z component x y square z equal to the first term we get 2xz here minus 6y square z square here xy square. So now del dot a bar at the point 1 minus 1 1 equal to, now we substitute x is equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. Then we will get 2 into 1 into 1, 2 minus 6 into minus 1 whole square into 1, that is minus 6. Here 1 into 1 minus 1 whole square 1 equal to 3 minus 6 minus 3. Minus 3 is the required answer. Okay. Sometimes vector ఇస్తాడు, వెక్టర్ ఇచ్చేసి ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ సోలెనాయిడల్ వెక్టర్ ఫైండ్ సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూ, ఆ మోడల్లో కూడా క్వశ్చన్ అడగవచ్చు. ఓకే. Now, so sixth problem is find the value of constant c for which the vector a bar is equal to I cap into x plus 3y plus j cap into y minus 2z Okay. Y minus 2z plus k cap into x plus cz. X plus cz is solenoidal. Is solenoidal. This is the problem. So problem lo manaku given vector solenoidal vector ichchadu. So we have to find the constant value c. Since it is a solenoidal vector, we know that the divergence must be equal to 0. Del bar dot a bar equal to 0. So you should equate del bar dot a bar value to 0. So what is del bar dot a bar? Dou by dou x of x plus 3y plus dou by dou y of y minus 2z, okay, plus dou by dou z of x plus cz equal to 0. So dou by dou x of this, then we get 1 here. So dou x by dou x 1, but dou x by dou x of 3y is 0, 1. Here we get 1. Dou by dou z of this, that is c, equal to 0. Then we get c equal to minus 2. So this is one more, new model. So the given vector is the solenoidal vector. Then we will find the constant value by equating the del bar dot a bar equals to 0. Right. Now, one more important problem is sixth problem. If r bar is the position vector, if r bar is the position vector, okay, position vector, then show that divergence of r power n r bar, divergence of r power n r bar equal n plus 3 into r power n. Very, very important problem. Good problem. R bar is the position vector. Okay, let us solve this problem. So for our position vector, R bar equal to what? R bar equal to xi cap equal to xi cap plus yg cap plus zk cap, etc. Then magnitude of R bar, modulus of R bar equal to R equal to x square plus y square plus z square root, that is whole power of. Right. Now r power n is equal to x square plus y square plus z square whole power of whole power n. We'll get n by 2. Right. R power n into r bar equal to x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 into r bar xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay. By expanding this, multiplying this term into the bracket, then x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 I cap. Okay. Similarly, x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 into yj cap plus x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 zk cap. Okay, sir. Now you consider the divergence of that is del bar dot r power n r bar equal to, according to our formula, dou by dou x of x component, x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. Okay, plus dou by dou y of y into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 plus dou by dou z of z into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. Now let us solve one by one each term. First, let us solve the first term. So accordingly, we can write the second term and third terms. Okay. So first, simplifying the first term, then what we get? Yes. First term, dou by dou x of x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. So you differentiate this with in UV method. First, by keeping x constant, x into dou by dou x of that n by 2 x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 minus 1. Okay, n by 2 minus 1. You will get n minus 2 by 2 into dou by dou x of x square 2x. Dou by dou x of x square 2x. So here 2 cancel. That equal to x into x square. N is there constant. X square plus y square plus z square whole power n minus 2 by 2. Okay. Similarly, the y term dou by dou y of okay, dou by dou y of y into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 is equal to n y square x square plus y square plus z square whole power n minus 2 by 2. So the third term dou by dou z of z into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 equal to n z square into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n minus 2 by 2. Okay, so adding all these terms, we get del dot r power n r bar is equal to. So by adding these terms, so what are the constant? N into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n minus 2 by 2 is constant into we'll get x square plus y square plus z square in bracket. So this is equal n into, but this is r square. X square plus y square plus z square equal r square. R square whole power that. R square whole power n minus 2 by 2 into r square. Okay. Into r square. Right. Then, so here only we have written one term, sir. In the first term plus there is one more term, UV method, x into dou by dou x of this one plus x square plus y square plus z square x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 into dou by dou x of x1. Okay, so here plus, so it is what? X square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. Okay, here also we get x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. Here also we will have one more term, x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. Okay. So by adding these terms, by adding these three terms, in the first three terms, so we'll get this one, plus it is same term 3 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. Okay, plus, okay, n into this is r square whole power n minus 2 by 2, it is r square. 3 into x square plus y square plus z square is r square whole power n by 2, r power n. N here 2 to cancel. N r power n minus 2 into r square plus 3 r power n. Okay, this is equal n here r power n minus 2 plus 2 r power n plus 3 into r power n. Taking r power n common, n plus 3. Okay, so divergence of r power n into r bar equal to r power n into n plus 3 or n plus 3 into r power n. So once again, see here. First, we are simplifying the first term. Dou by dou x of x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 equal to. So we are doing the partial differentiation in UV method. Here x is u, say this is v. U into dou by dou x of v plus v into dou by dou x of u. So that is the formula. So by keeping x constant, dou by dou x of the second term n by 2 x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 minus 1 n minus 2 by 2 plus into dou by dou x of x square 2x plus x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 is taking common constant into dou by dou x of x1. So that gives what? N x into x square, this x into x square, x square plus y square plus z square whole power n minus 2 by 2 plus x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. Okay. Similarly, we are writing the y term, z term, y component, z component, y term, z term. Now, del dot r power n, r bar equal to, simply we are adding all these terms. Okay. So this is the approach. Right. So in this present class, so what we did is first we defined the divergence of the vector field, the formula del dot r bar del dot a bar equal dou ax by dou x plus dou ay by dou y plus dou az by dou z, right? So if r bar is the position vector, the divergence of r bar equal to 3. If r bar is the position vector, the divergence of r power n, r bar equal to n plus 3 into r power n. Divergence of your vector field is always a vector, always a vector. Okay.